Assalamualaikum, selamat pagi, selamat hari raya, tren dari kereta. Pagi ini kita berada di somewhere very special because everything comes from here. Kita berada di Shanghai, Zhongguo, China. Why? Because kita dijemput oleh ni, nampak ni, CST Tayars. You may or may not heard of CST, tetapi kalau untuk pengetahuan korang, mereka di bawah satu umbrella group called Changshin Rubber, dan Changshin Rubber owns CST Tayars dan juga Maxxis. Kita hari ini berada di sini untuk menyaksikan something very special because they want to launch a new tire. So come along with me, kita akan pergi. Jom, bas nak gerak dah. Banyak betul logo Maxxis dekat sini because macam aku cakap tadi, Changshin Rubber ni mother group, dia pegang CST, Changshin Tayars dan juga Maxxis Tayars. So diorang keluarkan produk-produk tayar tetapi under nama-nama CST dan juga Maxxis. So hari ni kita dekat sini untuk tengok produk CST. Kejap lagi kita akan pergi ke proving ground tapi diorang nak lunch dulu. So kita tunggu benda tu and then kita akan gerak. Korang nampak tak? Nampak Maxxis kat situ? This whole track adalah track proving ground Maxxis dan CST. Proving ground ni adalah proving ground yang antara terbaik dalam China sebab dia ada semua facility untuk test tayar dalam all condition, macam snow, wet, dry, uneven surface, macam-macam uneven surface dia ada incline macam kat Proton. So dia ada macam-macam test track. So that is why this proving ground adalah tempat yang terbaik untuk test. Dan ada juga brand-brand tayar lain yang menyewa proving ground ni untuk test tayar-tayar diorang. So that is why this is the best proving ground there is in China. The flow chart of tire manufacturer. Dia explain sedikit sebanyak macam mana dia produce tayar. Lepas tu kalau nak tengok dia punya production line dia, from pembikinan dia buat masuk dalam this big storage place and then straight to transport, go out. So that is a little bit of the production line factory dia. And CST claims yang diorang dah strive untuk energy sustain, using energy sustaining materials and reusable energy untuk produce their tires. So good CST. Ini adalah tempat mereka menguji wet testing. So dekat sini ada yang smooth pavement, lepas tu dekat second level tu brick pavement, dan dekat tengah-tengah yang macam nampak putih sikit tu, yang ni that is snow punya condition, dan yang selebihnya semua tarp condition and sebagainya. So test track ni special because diorang boleh kawal ketebalan air tau. Diorang boleh kawal ketebalan air. Diorang akan determine tayar ni mana limit dia. Tu yang menariknya CST. Diorang punya R&D tu sangat-sangat mendalam. That's why diorang make sure setiap tayar tu diorang bagi result yang tepat. Sebenarnya Changshin Rubber ni dah lama dalam dunia tau. Diorang dah buat tayar sejak dulu lagi. Diorang ada tayar lori, tayar kereta, tayar basikal, tayar motor, you name it, they got it. So being long time players in the game, diorang decided untuk tak nak lawan dengan top brand. Dari segi apa tau, diorang lawan daripada segi quality, tapi diorang tak akan lawan dengan top brands dari segi price. So you can expect that CST bikin tayar diorang dengan top most quality tetapi dengan harga yang berpatutan. That is CST's goal. That is why diorang letak comparison antara brand Y, brand X apa semua ni. Tapi brand Y dan brand X ni sebenarnya top players tau. So diorang nak prove yang CST ni walaupun pricing dia low tetapi dia punya quality dia kekalkan. Semua orang punya mata dekat ni. Nampak? Select EX1. Ni tayar EV baru yang diorang akan lancarkan. This is a CST EV tyre, tetapi diorang recommend untuk kereta-kereta biasa juga. Petrol cars can use this tyre as well. Salex ni tak ada nampak lah pula dia punya track wear, tapi track wear dia sebenarnya rated 300. So track wear dia agak tahan lah. Tayar ni memang fokus dia untuk economical, untuk jimat minyak ataupun jimat elektrik. Basically this tyre is a very eco tyre lah. But being an eco tyre doesn't mean they compromise on the grip. So kau boleh nampak dekat bunga-bunga ni ada menggunakan teknologi yang sama dengan dua tayar diorang lagi yang dah release dah pun, which is the MD-A7 and the ADR9. They both look the same. Even the EX1 pun nampak sama. Diorang buat perubahan kat tread, tapi the tread punya rupa sama. Across the board sama. Right smack at the cone. The front tires are at the cone. This is a brand X, which I myself personally I like these tires, and they stop right at the cone. Oh, that is over. Oh, almost. I mean, almost at the cone, but it went a bit off. So kau nampak tak perbezaan CST EX1 dengan brand X dan brand Y. Brand X almost on par with the EX1, okay? EX1 cuma maybe slacking sikit je daripada gripping, tapi sikit sangat, very minute. Very minute. Okay, ini adalah ujian rolling resistance. So the lesser rolling resistance bermakna kereta tu akan glide lagi jauh lah. Untuk ujian ni, diorang akan drive pada kelajuan 0 hingga 40. Bila diorang touch je 40, diorang akan shift to neutral, bagi kereta tu layan je, kereta tu akan glide kan. So dalam test ni diorang nak tahu macam mana CST punya rolling resistance berbanding dengan brand X dan brand Y. So yang tengah-tengah ni brand X, yang ni brand Y, dan yang paling belakang sekali tu EX1. Dia tak gerak lagi, dia baru nak gerak.
第二回空挡滑行距离测试的结果就即将要揭晓了。
So kita boleh nampak kat sini CST punya rolling resistance agak low. Macam brand X, brand Y, okay, brand X dia belakang sikit daripada CST, dan brand Y dia betul-betul belakang. Bermakna dia betul-betul makan minyak lah. Kalau kau pakai tayar macam tu, minyak kau makan, bateri kau cepat makan. So CST ni fokus dia adalah eco saving. Dia save petrol ataupun save bateri lah, senang cerita. So sekarang saya berada dengan one of the driving instructors. Dia akan bawa kita ke test NVH. So kita akan test dengan tayar brand X ni, macam mana kadar NVH dia, kuat tak kuat bunyi dia. Maafkan saya guys, sebab part ni memang tak perasan yang mic tu dah disconnected. Tapi kalau kita dengar kat sini, brand Y NVH test agak fail, sebab bila dia kena kat bumps dan segala irregularities dalam jalan, dia agak harsh bunyi dia dan dengung dia agak kuat. So ni agak teruk kalau kita nak tayar yang senyap dan comfort. 声音比较少，
对，而且我们收敛快，然后我们冲击度力也比较快，这边也明显，整台车都落掉，而且锁点性做很好。OK， 不走。
So far saya boleh notice much more dampened sound, much less pitch in the sound. Macam tadi brand Y tu dia punya pitching dia quite high. So it's quite loud. But this one is more less, dia punya sound dia more less prominent, so which is good. Now kita try brand X. Okay, baru je settle test all 3 tyres, NVH test. Based on aku punya telinga kan, aku punya telinga bukan power sangat. Kalau aku ada pengukur desibel tu boleh lah aku determine mana satu betul-betul senyap kan. Tetapi brand X yang tadi wet test dia pun agak bagus lawan CST juga tu. Dia punya NVH level dia almost like lebih kurang lah. Kalau kau naik CST ke kau naik yang brand X tu, kau tak boleh nak differentiate sangat NVH tu kuat mana. Tapi bila dengan brand Y, oh betul-betul kuat. Dia drive pun dah rasa dengar dah bunyi berdengung dia tu. Dan sekarang kita berada dalam kereta Tesla Model Y lagi sekali, sebab kita nak test incline level. So paling tinggi adalah 60 degrees at the very top, but I'm not sure. 你会加在60度最高的那一个？会。
看你什么，我配合你。
我 OK， 我 OK， 你要加怎么样？
你说那个斜坡吗？是那个 bank 那个吗？上 bank
啊，对
，OK 的，我会上。
，OK，
好
OK。200 naik incline, 60 degree incline, let's go. Nampak tak? Aku dengan lantai berapa inci je ni?
，OK， yes 吗？我 yes 没有。
Wah. The whole test was done. Nampak dia orang pun nervous gila. They are so nervous going through the incline. But for me, it's
我
not
还
bad.
以为不够刺激。
Okay. Next time I drive. Next time I drive.
都没说话。
Alright, we are now in the Tesla Model Y. Kita akan try untuk slalom and all that. So, my co-driver will time me. 这样子。
公有之后，然后一个绕锥，马路不绕锥，连续绕锥。
Okay.
这边是马上计划现在。
Oh wait.
应该是。前面左转，
左转。
左转，
快还是随便？
都可以。
哦，OK。
左转。这个就是让你们来体验一下这个轮胎的性能。
嗯。
再右转，再右转，右转，好，左转，好，前方右转，右转，
哦。
推头了。
Alright, nice.
掉头，前方刹车，紧急制动，踩住，好，完了，再来一个。
Okay. So I pushed the car a little bit too much, but based on my finding, still grippy lah, still okay. Dalam slalom dia semua dia okay.
我们可以直接。
Oh, 直接开始 okay. So I'm going to do the second round. Let's go. So first is the slalom Tadi aku terlanggar sikit kon. Aku tak boleh agak, aku tak biasa Tesla. Okay. At 50, 60, it's still maintaining traction walaupun aku sudden corner. So ini betul-betul simulate the hairpin, you know. Bila kita tengah balik kampung kan, and then kita rasa kita tengah corner-corner dekat jalan lama apa semua, the hairpins tu yang tajam-tajam tu. Yeah. This is probably the normal speed that you would drive at the corners. Okay, sekarang saya berada dengan Lead Sales Manager International untuk CST, dan dia akan explain beberapa ciri-ciri yang ada pada tayar ini. Macam mana, what makes this a very economical tire, what makes this low noise and very silent tire. So jom kita tanya dia. Hello, Mr. Bruce. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Bruce, the sales manager for CSC Tires in the European market.
Thank you, Bruce. Okay, Bruce, my first question is, this tire, judging by the results just now, it performed really well. Even noise is quite low, and for the low resistance test,
Yes.
it's quite on par with one of the brands, a top level brand.
Yes.
Can you explain what makes this tire on par with those brands?
Okay, so Celex EX1 is the new product we are launching this year for the future electric vehicles. So the very important thing is about to lower the rolling resistance for this tire, which makes the longer mileage for the electric vehicles. So, in this part we use a lot of silica in the recipe in our tread compound. But as you might know, silica is not so easy to mix with natural rubbers, so it's always a challenge. So in CST, we have the special know-how and the technology to mix the silica and natural rubber in the best temperature and the best timing. So this will allow us to improve the 30% better disbursement of silica in the tread compound. This will also help to lower the rolling resistance by 5%. In the meantime, also increase 10% for the weight braking performance.
So, lagi satu yang Mr. Bruce explain
Yes.
adalah line liner juga meng-effect pada noise. So, Mr. Bruce, can you explain how these lines affect the noise?
Okay, as you know, we have a simulation system in our company that we can create the optimal arrangement for the pitch design on the shoulder part. So you can see this is 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 1. So this is something we designed especially to avoid the resonance when we are driving the car and create more vibration and noise when we are driving. And not only this, also inside the tire, this is something you cannot see. We have the 10% reinforced nylon cap to cover all these tires, also to lower the rolling, which also lower the noise when you are driving. And you can also see inside the tire, we have the special foam technology here. This is the foam, like a sponge. This can help to absorb all the noise from the road. In our internal test, the result is around 5 dB lower after we have this special foam in the tire.
One more feature that I was very interested
Yes,
is
yes.
the sidewall.
Yeah, for outside the sidewall, you can see this. We call it a diamond feeder. So this is the special design for the sidewall, aerodynamic sidewall, which can fasten the airflow in the surface when you are driving. So you might know, like a golf, the ball is a lot of hole on the surface. This can help the golf to fly higher and faster. So this is the same thing. So we use the same theory here for the sidewall. This can help to reduce 5% for the air resistance and also lower 2% for the tire rolling resistance.
One more about water.
Water, okay,
Wet,
okay.
In wet condition, how does the thread
Okay.
push out the water?
Push out the water, okay. So you can see this is a special tread pattern design. So inside the tire, we have the unidirectional design. This is the V-shape sides, which gives the more contact area when you are cornering or you are trying to braking. This is the inside, and for the central, you can see every side in the tread. This is penetrate in the middle. This will allow also allow us to maximize the road contact area. And for outside the tread, beside right here, this is a spatial angle for the side, which allow us to break the water surface when the tire is driving into the water. And also very importantly, we have the 4 very wide groove for all the water to come out. from the tire surface. This is the secret how we get a very good wave braking performance and handling for these tires.
So thank you very much Mr. Bruce. Tadi korang dah dengar dah macam mana the level of R&D that CST has put in their tires ni agak padu lah orang kata. Sebab kalau kita compare dengan brand-brand lain yang daripada China juga, it seems like diorang buat tayar sambil lewa tau. So this one CST has gone through many levels of R&D sampailah diorang dah develop tayar yang macam ni. So itulah dia. Terima kasih lagi sekali kepada CST Malaysia kerana sudi bawa kita orang ke China. Sehingga kita berjumpa lagi. Assalamualaikum.